डिवोर्स रूमर्स पर क्या बोला रणवीर सिंह ने? आखिर क्यों रणवीर सिंह ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट से वेडिंग पिक्चर्स हटा दिए? अपने वेडिंग रिंग के बारे में क्या बोला रणवीर सिंह ने? रणवीर सिंह ने अपने और दीपिका के डिवोर्स रूमर्स पर विराम लगा दिया है। रणवीर के अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट से अपनी शादी की पिक्चर्स हटाने के बाद ऐसे कयास लगाए जाने लगे थे कि रणवीर और दीपिका के रिश्ते में दरार आ गई है। पर अब इन सभी खबरों पर जवाब रणवीर ने अपने एक स्टेटमेंट से दे दिया है। दरअसल हाल ही में मुंबई में एक स्टोर लॉन्च इवेंट को रणवीर सिंह ने अटेंड किया, where he proudly flaunted his wedding ring and seemingly shut down rumors of their divorce. वहीं इस इवेंट के दौरान रणवीर spoke about the jewelry pieces that he is most fond of. Ranveer said personal sentimental value attached to them are my most dear pieces. One of the rings that is very dear to me is this one, flaunting his beautiful ring. It's my wedding ring presented to me by my wife. The other one is a platinum engagement ring and then of course my mother's diamond earrings and my grandmother's pearls. वैसे हाल ही में एक सोर्स ने रिवील किया था कि रणवीर ने न सिर्फ उनकी वेडिंग फोटोज बल्कि उनके 2023 के पहले के सारे इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट्स को आर्काइव कर दिया है। Well, he has deleted all his pictures from the year before 2022-2023. It's not just about his wedding pictures. In fact, all his recent pictures with Deepika are still on his handles. So it is really baffling as to how people can assume that there is any trouble in paradise, the source said. They are really excited to welcome their first child to the world and are cherishing every moment of this phase of their life, the source added. रणवीर और दीपिका ने 14 नवंबर 2018 को शादी की थी। फिलहाल दीपिका जल्द ही मां बनने वाली हैं and Deepika had confirmed she's due this September. ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म एनिमल और पुष्पा के बाद रश्मिका सलमान खान के साथ करेंगी स्क्रीन शेयर। रश्मिका सलमान की नेक्स्ट सिकंदर में एज अ फीमेल लीड करेंगी काम। This announcement made on Thursday morning is a major milestone for Rashmika as it marks her first appearance alongside one of the Bollywood's iconic actors. Directed by A.R. Murugadoss, this marks Rashmika's fourth outing in Bollywood, with the movie slated for release next year. Both the production house and Rashmika herself confirmed the news. Rashmika took to her Instagram stories and wrote, "You guys for a long time have been asking me for the next update and here it is. Surprise! I'm truly grateful and honored to be a part of Sikandar." According to the sources close to the development, Sajid Nadiadwala was on the lookout for a fresh pairing as the script demands that at the writing level. He narrated the subject to Rashmika and the actress was excited by not just her part but also the overall approach of A.R. Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala to mount the film. The source further added that Sikandar is a lot more than just an action film. There is a strong story that results in an outflow of drama and emotions. The wholesomeness that the script has to offer is what has excited both Salman and Rashmika for the film. And the duo is all excited to take it on floors in June. With Sikandar, Rashmika has a strong lineup of feature films in pace post the success of Animal. The actress will next be seen in Pushpa 2, followed by Chhaava and then Sikandar. Recently, the actress spoke about the film Pushpa 2 The Rule. It starts feeling like home. Like when you finish one film and towards the end of the film, you get really connected with the cast and crew, right? So when you have the part 2 coming again, you're like, hey, what's up? And you just sort of like it's party time. बात करें फिल्म सिकंदर की तो फिल्म सिकंदर निश्चित तौर पर कई मायनों में खास और अहम है। While on one hand, the film marks the reunion of the super successful producer-actor jodi of Sajid Nadiadwala and Salman Khan. और वहीं दूसरी ओर फिल्म में पहली बार सलमान खान की जोड़ी रश्मिका मंदाना के साथ भी है। क्या आदित्य रॉय कपूर सारा अली खान को कर रहे हैं डेट? कहां सारा संग पार्टी करते दिखे आदित्य रॉय कपूर? आदित्य रॉय कपूर अनन्या पांडे के साथ अपने रूमर्ड ब्रेकअप को लेकर खबरों में हैं। वहीं आदित्य रॉय कपूर को हाल ही में मेट्रो इन दिनों की अपनी को एक्टर सारा अली खान के साथ एक पार्टी में देखा गया, जिस पर नेटिजन्स रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं और पूछ रहे हैं क्या ये दोनों एक दूसरे को डेट कर रहे हैं। Fans of Aditya Roy Kapoor and Ananya Pandey were deeply saddened when they heard about the end of their relationship. While the ex-couple remained tight-lipped about their separation, it was their close friend who confirmed Ananya and Aditya's breakup, said they broke up almost a month ago. They were going quite well and the breakup came as a shock to all of us. They are cordial with each other. Ananya is trying to move on. Of course there is hurt. She's spending time with her new furry friend. Aditya is also trying to deal with the situation maturely. Shortly after their breakup, there was speculation about Aditya Roy Kapoor possibly dating Sara Ali Khan. Then some recent photos from the set of Metro in Dino started circulating online, showing Aditya and Sara having a great time together at a party. They looked happy and comfortable in each other's company in the photos, which seemed to be from Anurag Basu's birthday bash. Basu celebrated his 54th birthday on May 8 and looks like the lead stars of his film made sure to make his special day memorable.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Basu's upcoming film Metro in Dino features Sara Ali Khan, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Neena Gupta, Anupam Kher, Pankaj Tripathi and Konkana Sen, aiming to tell stories of complex relationships in today's world. The 77th edition of the Cannes Film Festival will be held in southern France from May 14 to 25, 2024 और एक्ट्रेस ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन और अदिति राव हैदरी इस बार कैन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल में अपनी खूबसूरती का जलवा बिखेरती नजर आएंगी। Aishwarya was the first Indian female actor to be selected as the Cannes jury member. Previously, she had graced the film festival with numerous iconic appearances. Aditi made her debut at the Cannes Film Festival in 2022. This year, both divas are poised to captivate audiences on the French Riviera alongside other dignitaries from around the world. दिशा पाटनी की तस्वीरें तेजी से वायरल हो रही हैं। ये तस्वीरें उनके बीच वेकेशन की हैं, जिसमें वो समंदर के मजे लेती नजर आ रही हैं। एक्ट्रेस ने खुद इसकी तस्वीरें अपने इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पर शेयर की हैं। दिशा पाटनी वेकेशन पर अपने दोस्तों के साथ गई हैं। पिक्चर्स में वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ मस्ती करते दिखाई दे रही हैं। दिशा ने बिकिनी में भी पिक्चर्स पोस्ट की हैं। दिशा sizzled in a bikini as she posed against the vast ocean with the soft light of the setting sun enhancing the backdrop. दिशा ने इस वेकेशन से और भी कई पिक्चर्स पोस्ट करते हुए कैप्शन में लिखा, "This week's only going to be photo dumps." Priyadarshan is gearing up for a busy period. Following the release of the social satire Corona Papers in April 2023, the veteran director has several projects in development. While it's confirmed that Priyadarshan is collaborating with Akshay Kumar, Priyadarshan is also rolling another Hindi project, this time with Saif Ali Khan. Reports suggest Saif Ali Khan has been offered to play the part of a blind man in the film, and the actor too has shown some interest to play the part. And if everything falls into place, Priyadarshan aims to commence filming with Saif Ali Khan in July and August, adhering to a tight 40-day schedule from start to finish. Karishma Kapoor and Ranveer Singh were spotted together at a recent event, looking absolutely charming. The duo posed for the photos, showcasing their effortless style. There's a delightful moment captured where Karishma shares a playful exchange with Ranveer. Karishma took to Instagram to share these candid moments, captioning the series of pictures with, "We are painting the town blue."